Hey everybody, it's me again, and I have a few new items in the shop and some old ones too. I brought back Sweet Winter, which actually coordinates with this new kit that I have out, and I'm going to be bringing back Angelic Christmas. It might already be up by the time that you're seeing this. But yeah, I'm trying to bring all the oldies back because they were all, they did pretty well, and I got a lot of new subscribers who might not have seen it before. So this new kit, it's going to come in two different versions. The download version, which is all this stuff that you see here, and there's also the pre-order version. So if you don't have a way to print and cut your own stuff, then I can do it for you for a fee. But it is on pre-order, so once you pay for it, then you have to wait about 5 business days for me to actually, process everything, print cuts, and then ship. Sometimes it'll be sooner than that, but 5 business days. So it is a planner kit, but if you do not use the planner part of it, there's only 3 different 3 things in here that are actually planner related. You can actually use the rest of this and not worry about those items. These are planner stickers. There are 6 silhouette cut files in this digital version. I don't have a way to turn these silhouette cut files into anything else as of right now, but hopefully in the future I will. But it probably won't be soon. So the silhouette cut files will be the stickers and the die cuts, and there's 3 which will, they're going to be ready to just print and cut, and then the stickers. You are getting 13 papers, which includes these collage ones and this one with 3 cards, and then these images here. Let's see, I'm reading. There's going to be 26 of my doodles that are actually going to be loose files, and they're all JPEG. And like if you wanted to do the truck a whole bunch of times, then you can just print that out instead of everything, but it's only the doodles, and it's 26 of them. Okay, and then these backgrounds, which are, everything is 8.5 by 11 size, and there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 3 of these have a white background, so if you wanted to print on something like vellum, you can, and I'll show you these in a second. And then the rest are just patterns, and I do have it all printed and cut already. So this would be the digital file version of it, and what you get, and it's in the shop, My Crafty Boutique. Now if you buy the pre-order, if you don't want to print your own, or if you can't print it or cut it, or can't open these files that you really want, I do have the pre-order version, which you get it all printed and cut and ready to go and ready to use, except for the laminating part. If you want anything laminated, you'll have to do that yourself. So here it is, and pretty much what you see here is what you would get in the pre-order. All the die cuts, everything printed and cut and ready, all the stickers printed and cut and ready to use, plus additional items here, some large pieces, and 1 Target dollar spot pocket. So let's talk about that first. Actually no, let me put this aside. I want to show you what you would get, what you can do with the printable version once you print it and cut, and how it's going to look. Again, this is with my laser printer, my new laser printer that I'm in love with. So this is how they look with that. I haven't printed it on my inkjet. So that is going to vary as far as what colors you get and the quality, but I am using an HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28 1FDW. That's a long description. So I have a lot of my own drawings in here, plus a few that are like, actual images here. So this is what is both digital version and in your physical item. This is my doodle. I love this car. This one's like a photo of that. There's 2 ornaments and 2 bells, jingle bells. This really pretty frame. I'm gonna put this in here this way. I know what I've showed you already. Oh, and you're gonna get the teapot with the bear, and then this, and this coordinates very well with my Sweet Winter. There's actually stuff in here that comes from that kit, so if you would like to have more to go with it, you know, check that out. The cake, let's see, is there any more? That's the star, Merry Christmas on there, and then this cupcake. Alright, so these are my doodles. I drew what I'm about to show you. This snowman hat with the pink, pale pink trim. This was also featured in my Give Thanks kit, but now he's shabbied up. And we've got the gingerbread girl, and here's the bear. I drew him. Again, the car, the truck with the tree, the pink Christmas tree, so cute. This candy cane, and this is a planner that's been around several of my kits, but then I added the flower, so I drew the planner. Here's the open planner. I love how this came out. It says like a boss. A gingerbread house or a candy house. That's my doodle. This is my doodle as well. I just like to call them doodles because they're really cute. And that's what I did, is I doodled them. The mocha cup, I guess, or hot cocoa. I doodled that. And the takeout cup or takeaway cup, coffee cup, whatever you want to call it. I doodled these. So cute. He's got a smirk on his face. And this Santa hat in pink, and then this Santa, and the snowman. I doodled that, and this too. And this was also featured in Give Thanks, but it is in pink now, or very pale pink. Elf legs, and then the elf face. Now you can stick like a card in here in between, look like he's holding something, or take the snowman and give him legs. The pen, you've seen this pen before. I've drawn this and then I just change out what it says, 'tis the season, and then change the colors. And my bows, this is the double bows that I drew, and my blade was like, you know, kind of old, already worn, so it's kind of didn't cut perfect there. I think that's all my doodles, and then my non-doodles. A couple of candies here, candy cane and a lollipop, and then Merry Christmas in black and white. I think I'm going to try and foil these for myself. Let's do this. Merry Christmas. Bring on the nog. I've got ho ho ho, December, and again you could, you know, resize them, and holiday planning. So those are the die cuts that you can either print yourself and cut in the digital file, and the ones that you will get in the physical form. And then these are going to be on one sheet somehow. I don't remember how, but these are the cards. I think they're about 4 by 6 with my doodles, backgrounds from Sweet Christmas, and the bear, he's holding the candy cane here. Again, the backgrounds from all three of these are from Sweet Christmas. You can round the corners, do whatever. And peace, love, and joy. So you get 3 cards there. Then the stickers, there's 3 files of stickers, so they come together like so when you print them, and then you just cut them down. Okay, so you get date covers and dates, some planning words and things, December, winter, and so on. And these boxes, if I didn't mention, will fit Erin Condren in any happy planner. So here, what I have is 2 half boxes. They are stickers. It's a matte finish. And then these are the little, I think they're called littles. To do today, to buy, and then an empty one. Okay, and then here are some boxes here to coordinate, and some planner icons, which I actually drew all of these myself. Some of them have happy faces. So these are the same size boxes over here too, but in solid colors, and then the top half has the little check boxes, which are actually ornaments. Okay, so we've got that, and then the last sticker set, which comes in 1 sheet, is this one, and this is a full image from Sweet Winter that I put in here, and they are split up into 8 boxes, 8 separate boxes. And then my just some fun planner stickers to go with, so my doodles and the other stuff. And then here are the papers. Come here. I love the way these came out. So these are the ones that you will see in your pre-order. So this is what you get, and they will have a white border because I am using my laser printer and it doesn't do a borderless print. So unfortunately that's how it will come. So those are the ones with the trucks and the tree, and then here's the bears on a like a plaid. And then this floral. Now this printed a little weird because I messed up and printed this, ran it through again. It came out right, but it made this center a little more red than it actually is. So, but I'm gonna keep it. And then we have the pink trees, a little bit of like raspberry color, and then this check. So this is what you get in the physical file. Let me go back to the pretty one here. And the ones, the digital file, if you buy that comes with these white backgrounds, you can print on white. You can either print it on white and just have that white background, or print it on vellum. So those 3 I printed on some vellum, but it was smearing, so I just needed to let it dry. If you just let it sit and dry, it will work. Or you can, this is not actual printable vellum, so they do sell some that probably dries faster. So that's how it would come out, and you could layer like on top of other patterns. I just wanted to show you how it looks. And this one has a sheen to it. Here's the bears, and then the trees. So just an option with the digital version of that. And actually you can print any of these pattern ones on vellum or on, you know, whatever material you want to print on. Aside from what's in the files, you're going to get these bigger versions of the bear, the takeaway cup, the planner, and the cocoa mug. We'll just call it a cocoa mug. Okay, and then you're also going to get a Target Dollar Spot pocket. And my intentions with that, and you will see me do this once we start winter planning, is this will fit in a B6. If you want to turn this into a page marker, you can use it as is or laminate it, and on the back side stick your pocket, which it should fit, and then you can stick stuff in there and then use this as a page marker. I know this definitely does not coordinate, but you can just stick him in as a page marker and he'll be peeking up there. So you'll get those as little extras. I'm only doing one size right now. I was thinking of doing 2 sizes, but you know, we're just testing this out. So that is pretty much it. I just wanted to share with you this new kit, you know, things that I've been trying out for the shop. I really love making my own drawings, or drawing my own things and turning them into die cuts and papers. I've been having fun doing that, so I just wanted to share it with my customers, and hopefully it does well. Otherwise I'll just do it for me. But aside from that, I also wanted to show you my planner that I finished, that's going to be for my giveaway coming soon. I had already shared with you previously these items that I made using my fall kit, which is out there to give thanks, and I told you that I was going to make a planner because I do have a planner kit to go with that as well, and here it is. So I made a pocket size, and this is all going to go into a giveaway soon. And I just love the way it came out. Now I made these I think last year, these picks, paper clips. So I'm gonna just show you real quick now, but when I do the giveaway you'll probably get a better look then. I did make a dangle to go with this, but I want to send it out this way. So just a quick look, using pretty much everything that is in my give thanks kit is in here. So I'm just gonna do a quick flip because I'm already, my voice is going. So I actually put one of those Target dollar spots on the front of the pocket, and I kind of like that, so I'm probably going to be doing it for myself. Some die cuts that I didn't get to use, but they're going to go. And then my folder with some tags and the little fuzzy ball. This little dangle here, you can find it at Natasha Scrapbook Corner. I just added a jump ring and a paper clip. And then wait till you see what that is when I do the video for the giveaway. That's all in my give thanks planner kit, and there you go. So stay tuned for that. Once I do that giveaway video, then I'll go more into details on this. Alright, so check out the links below to everything, and thank you all for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye now.